But what I've done, I've tried to attach a, a wireless mic unit. I'm going to see if I was going to pick up some sound. So I'm going to show you. This is the Boya mic. I got it clamped on to the landing strip, and we're going to see if we can pick up some audio once we get it up in the air and start flying. See if it's going to pick up some of the audio noise, either from the fans, from the propellers, or if it's going to pick up some of the audio from the surrounding areas, just the outside noise. Okay, so it looks like it may have picked up that audio pretty good. We're gonna play it back and see what we got.